Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we've got a quick box opening of my watchgang Platinum that I received for February. So as you guys know, there's 3 different tier levels, technically 4 different tier levels from watchgang. There's the regular tier, the black tier, the Platinum, and the Centum. Regular tier is $29.99 a month with discounts at 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. The black tier is $99 a month with discounts for 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. And the Platinum is the same way. Except for the Platinum is $2.99 a month. Discounts, same thing. We have 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and 12 months. Now, I've only done Platinum twice. The first time I wasn't a huge fan of the watch. And for me, the Platinum tier level is a little bit expensive to not get exactly what you want. I still like the surprise, but if I'm going to spend $300 on a watch, it's generally going to be exactly what I want. Now, this month I was able to have a promo code that got me half price on the Platinum. So I'm pretty excited about that, and I may even do another month of Platinum next month. So there's actually potentially some pretty exciting things involved with my Platinum subscription for next month. Before we open this bad boy open, we'll do a quick wrist check. I am wearing my Sal Baltimore Founder Edition. And if you guys want to know more about this one, I will link in the description the box opening and follow up on this one. Now, the interesting thing about my Platinum this month, for one, it's in the biggest box watchgang has ever sent me, and I think it came from their actual headquarters. So when I signed up using that promo code, it was pretty much on the last day you could sign up and still get the package for the month of February. The problem being is I waited and waited for my tracking number for Platinum, and I never got it. Now I had to actually reach out to watchgang for a unrelated thing, and I had them do a track on this, and which they did, and there was a glitch. I wasn't actually going to receive my Platinum until the month of March. Now, when I reached out to them, they said they would fast track it for me, which they did, and I believe this came straight from the watchgang headquarters, actually. Now, I've got a Martinero, which I don't know that I've seen this one for anybody this month. So, kind of an interesting package here. Martinero, New York. The Edge mirror. So there's our booklet, little owner's guide. Wow. Alright guys, let me pull the plastic off of that. A little bit different face on it. I like the dome on the crystal. Definitely like the etching on the back, or engraving on the back. Really cool. Just a nice, simple, clean leather strap on that one. Martinero. Got an M on the crown. Kind of interesting. Got a combination of some brushed and some polished on the case there. Huh. I know absolutely nothing about this company, the movement. So it'll be interesting to see what I find out on this one. What do you guys think of that one? I think it's pretty cool. It's definitely different. I'll pull off my other watch here. I'll just throw it on wrist really quick. Strap actually feels really nice. It's a good size for my wrist, but I will do some looking, figure out all the specs, and do a follow-up on this one. I know I have a lot of follow-ups to do, guys. The box openings are just a little quicker to knock out, so stay tuned. I will be doing some follow-ups. Let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.